I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Yeah, when I'm at the mall, she really just can't find them all. And when I'm at the beach, I'm in the speed, I'm trying to stay with cheese. This is how I am. I'm with everyone.
Kaylee has a question.
Okay, so you're a pageant veteran. Everybody knows you, right? The media.
Yes.
Yes. Love it. So why did you come back? Yes, you can. Hold the mic, touch it, grip it, turn.
So for me, I keep going with pageantry because we all have a dream in life. Like when I joined the first pageant, we all aim to win an international competition, not for us, but to bring pride for the Philippines, our country. At the same time now, my age is 37. I want to keep inspiring people that to keep going in life. Age is not a hindrance, but you have to keep doing what you believe in, and you should continue inspiring the people around you. And that's my purpose for joining Mr. World Philippines again.
Thank you. Anyone? Miss Anna?
Hello.
Hi, Raymond.
How are you?
What one misconception people have about you?
About me? Sometimes people think I'm intimidating because it's very easy to judge people, like because they think I'm tall, I'm fat, so they probably think I'm maybe snobbish or something. But something I learned from life that when people think this about me, I want to show them the opposite. So I always show people that I'm very friendly, I'm very nice, I'm very kind. Especially I always try to give a smile when I walk around the people, so people feel comfortable with me.
Hi, Raymond. I'm here. Hey. Hello.
Hello. So, I do.
Hello. Alright, so Kaylee mentioned that you're already a pageant veteran. You've competed both national and international, and now you're applying for Mr. World Philippines. What else can Raid offer this time around? So what makes Raid different? Because people change, people evolve. So as kings and queens. So this time around, what can Raid offer?
So this time, one of the main purpose I joined, like when I said because of my age, this is what I want to show people that age is just a number. You have to keep going, doing what you really want in life. And I also wanted to join again this time because I want to share my story with my mom, because that's one of the reasons I resigned from my work as a flight attendant, because she got sick. So I want to talk about health. I want to teach people the importance of being healthy. And to be honest with you also, I want to keep sharing my story. I used to be 300 pounds before, so I still have my loose skin. I did also tummy tuck for the loose skin problem. So I have a lot of stories I want to share, to keep sharing with the people until I feel happy and content with that I did my job in my life. Thank you very much.
Any more questions?
We know that we have a lot of titles with this Mr. World Philippines. So, what title are you aiming for? Is it Mr. World or nothing, or you want something? That's the hashtag reveal ALB.
To be honest, I'm very grateful with what Sir ALB will gonna give me. So I'm very happy with that. What matters for me is like I keep inspiring people with my story, and that's what makes me very contented and happy in my life.
Any title.
Because I think Mr. World will have age limit also, so yes. Yeah, the first time I participated in Mr. World Philippines 2022, Sir ALP gave me Mr. Super.
So you have experience.
Yes.
International competition.
I hopefully this time when I do it, I want to win the crown for the country, Philippines, to bring pride for my country.
Last question.
Hi, Maria.
Hi, it's me, the voice from the sky. I just want to ask the question that Tito Norman originally wanted to ask, but tried to blame Keenan for. What makes a man desirable?
I love it.
For me, the best quality what makes a man desirable is the way how he treats women, especially his mom. And if you know how to take care of her, even his wife. I think what matters the most in every relationship is the way you treat your wife or your sister or your mother, and especially to come with respect and compassion and love. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rai.